Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Sine and I am an all cash budgeter. I also love to do some savings challenges here as well as stack for my sinking funds. If you are returning, hey loves, missed you guys. So today I will be stuffing paycheck number 1 of February. I did recently get paid paycheck number 2, so I will be cash stuffing that later on this week. But I did want to get caught up on my cash stuffing because I will be going grocery shopping and I do not want to overspend. Your girl don't like that, okay? So if you want to see what I was able to stuff for my first paycheck in February, keep on watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to leave me some wonderful comments because I read them and I love them. And it just brings me so much life. So this week I should be stuffing 204. So I just want to make sure I have 204 here, you guys, because we don't want no hiccups. So I'm going to sit this 50 to the side and then I'm going to go ahead and count this out and just make sure everything is here. So I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, plus 50, and we have 204. Let's put this right. And I'm just going to go ahead and get this money set up so we can go ahead and get right into that cash stuffing. All right, y'all. First, hopping into my cash envelopes. These are just the things I love to stuff bi-weekly. I do get paid bi-weekly. So I just like to put the money in here that I think I'm going to spend. I try not to overspend, but stuff happens. So first up is going to be gas. And gas is actually going to get $40. And I'm actually going to do that in tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40. So I have $40 for gas. And y'all, I'm not even going to lie. My car, it has been taking really like less than 30 to fill up. But I always like to just overestimate because you never know. But if you can, you guys, if you have a 7-Eleven, definitely use their gas app because they will find you the lowest price in the area. And then they'll be able to price match it when you get to the pump. So you actually, like, if the gas was $2.99 one place, but it's $2.89 somewhere else, you get the $2.89 price. Like, what? Baby, we could use that. You feel me? And then next up is going to be groceries. And it actually looks like I have some money left here in groceries. And I'm going to leave it in here, you guys, because groceries have been getting way, way more expensive. So I'm going to leave this 10 here and I'm going to add 75 to it. So I have 50, 20, and 5. Got my little 10 blowing away here. So now in groceries, I have 50, 70, 80, 85. And look, we might need all of this. So I'm going to put this back in here. And then we are on to home and personal. Home and personal is actually going to get $15. So in home and personal, I have 10, 15. And y'all, I'm sorry if you can actually hear that outside. I'm not sure if you can. Like, somebody has this loud pickup. That's the thing about Texas. Texas loves their pickup trucks. Like, why? Why are they so loud, though? Spending is actually going to get 0. I do still have a Ross card in here. I spent a little bit off of it, but for the most part, I still have a Ross card. And somebody just gave me another Target card, so you know it's on. And then I don't think I have any coins. Nope, no coins. So let's go ahead and get right into my primary binder. So right into my primary binder, you all. First up is going to be emergency fund. And I am really working to just make sure I hit 1,000 in here by the end of the year. So now in emergency fund, I have 20, 40, 60, 80. And then next up is savings. Savings is actually going to get $15 this go round. So 10 and 5. So I now have in savings 20, 30, 40, 45. And savings I'm not as focused on as I am with emergency funds. I would love to get this up there, like, no lies. But I also want to be patient with myself. but making sure that me and Baby Bop are good for the emergencies, you know? And then next up is Baby Bop, and Baby Bop is going to get $5. So now in Baby Bop, I have 5 and 10. And then next into Sparkle. Sparkle will be getting $5 as well. So now in Sparkle's envelope, I have 10, 15. I will not be adding anything to medical right now, but it looks like for me, I'm going to give myself $5 because your girl is just as important, a little self-care here and there. So now in my envelope, I have 20 and 25. Now, I don't have anything for rollover, but of course, if I did, it would have been that $10, but we're going to use that, so we're not going to worry about it now. But last up, you guys, is going to be my What's in the Box. Now, you all know I love to do my Be My Own Boss challenge. Excuse me, Be My Own Boss challenge, where I put in ones, but that's usually from my rollover. But as far as my What's in the Box, this comes from basically what I didn't account for in my paycheck. So if I get overage. So this week, let's see, we should be on week 3. Week 3, I actually end up having $4 left that I did not account for from my paycheck. So we are going to put this in our little envelope here. I don't know how much this will end up being. Literally, it's just the roll of the dice at this point of how much will be in this box at the end of the year. But I do like this. I don't know, it's kind of still exciting because, oh my goodness, are they ever going to go in here? It's really quite exciting because, I don't know, you still get a rush of like something going in here. You just don't know what the total will be. So I love that. Like, I love that for me at least. All right, y'all, that is it for this cash stuffing. But I mean, we were able to stuff 204, which is not bad at all, especially with me now working daytime hours. You guys, it is so healthy for me. I can't even express it, okay? But like, honestly, I'm so excited for the journey that is ahead. It's definitely going to be an eventful year. And I just hope that it continues to be very prosperous, not only for myself, but for you all as well. And I'm just, again, grateful that we will be on this journey together. So until next time, you guys, bye.
Said you wanna do it for a bankroll, but left to the trap at the back door. Ain't tryna see the clothes on no more. Baby, just do it.